How to restore Gmail contact on iPhone. So if you want to restore your Gmail contact on your iPhone, like having all the Gmail contact like this on your iPhone, and then be able to put a code through to this contact without importing them manually from the SIM card or from iCloud, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily import Gmail contacts to iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and click on mail. So if you're using iOS 17 or LFUC mail, on iOS 18, go ahead and click on apps. Now scroll down and click on mail under apps. So just keep scrolling until see mail. Then click on it. Now once you selected that, come here and click on default mail. Here you want to set Gmail as your default mail. After that, go back, then select contact, and once you selected contact, locate contacts account, and here you should see all your Gmail accounts added to your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on the Gmail you want to import its contacts to your iPhone. Then here locate contact and make sure contact is turned on. So if contact is turned off, go ahead and turn on contact, and then you're good to go. Then all the Gmail contacts will be imported to your iPhone and you'll be able to access it on your iPhone. So that's basically how to import Gmail contacts to iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.